This tutorial looks at gearing ratios. Gearing ratios are ratios that tell you the level of debt financing within an organization. The debt financing of interest here is long-term debt, otherwise known as non-current liabilities. The first gearing ratio that we'll look at is called simply a debt equity ratio. The debt equity ratio calculation is a calculation that compares your non-current liabilities or your long-term debt to your owner's equity. The second debt ratio we'll be looking at is called a total gearing ratio, and this is your non-current liabilities over your capital employed. Your capital employed is your non-current liabilities plus your owner's equity. The key thing to note with these two gearing ratios is that they speak to each other. They are two sides of the same coin. For example, if your debt equity ratio is 1:1, that means for every level or every rand of non-current liabilities you've got, the same level of owner's equity. It therefore means your gearing ratio is 50%. Let's have a closer look at how this calculation is. You've got 1 rand of non-current liabilities and therefore 1 rand of owner's equity, giving you a debt equity ratio of 1:1. Your non-current liabilities are still 1, and your capital employed is 1 plus 1. Remember, it's your non-current liabilities and owner's equity. So 1/2 gives you a gearing ratio of 50%.